Am I the only one that didn't know how epic the Apollo missions were? The Apollo program was a monumental series of missions that not only defined an era, but also showcased the pinnacle of human ingenuity and determination. It was a time when the world was captivated by the possibilities of space exploration, and the Apollo missions were at the forefront of this incredible journey. Let's dive into the awe-inspiring story of Apollo 11. This mission was the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of a dream that seemed almost impossible. The launch of Apollo 11 was a momentous occasion, watched by millions around the world as the Saturn V rocket roared to life and ascended into the heavens. The Apollo program wasn't just a series of space missions, it was a bold race against time and a rival superpower. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a fierce competition, each striving to prove their technological and ideological superiority. This space race was a defining aspect of the Cold War, and the stakes couldn't have been higher. Picture this: 1957. The Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. This event sent shockwaves around the world and marked the beginning of the space age. The United States was caught off guard, and the race to the moon had officially begun. The launch of Sputnik 1 was a wake-up call, and it spurred the United States to accelerate its own space program. The race to the moon had officially begun. The United States responded with the creation of NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in 1958. NASA's mission was clear: to lead the nation in space exploration and to ensure that the United States would not fall behind in this new frontier. The Apollo program was born out of this urgency and determination. Enter President John F. Kennedy. In 1961, he set an audacious goal at Rice University: land a man on the moon before the decade's end. Kennedy's speech was a rallying cry, a call to action that inspired a nation. He famously declared, "We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard." This bold vision galvanized the American public and set the stage for one of the greatest achievements in human history. The stakes were high, but so was the determination. NASA's engineers, scientists, and astronauts worked tirelessly to turn Kennedy's vision into reality. The challenges were immense and the risks were great, but the spirit of innovation and the drive to succeed propelled them forward. The Apollo program became a symbol of what humanity could achieve when we dared to dream big. At the heart of this mission was the Saturn V rocket, a colossal machine with 5 mighty F-1 engines. The Saturn V was an engineering marvel, standing 363 feet tall and capable of generating 7.5 million pounds of thrust. It was the most powerful rocket ever built at the time, designed to propel humans beyond Earth's grasp and into the vast expanse of space. It was the most powerful rocket ever built at the time, designed to propel humans beyond Earth's grasp. The Saturn V's first stage, powered by its 5 F-1 engines, provided the initial thrust needed to escape Earth's gravity. The second and third stages continued the journey, propelling the Apollo spacecraft into orbit and then on a trajectory towards the moon. The sheer power and complexity of the Saturn V were awe-inspiring, and it remains an iconic symbol of the Apollo program. The Apollo spacecraft itself was a marvel of engineering, comprising 3 modules: the command module for living, the service module for propulsion, and the lunar module for landing on the moon. The command module, named Columbia, was the living quarters for the astronauts during their journey to and from the moon. The service module, which housed the main propulsion system and other essential equipment, provided the necessary power and support for the mission. The lunar module, named Eagle, was designed specifically for landing on the moon's surface and returning to the command module in lunar orbit. Each piece played a crucial role in the mission's success. The coordination and teamwork required to design, build, and operate these complex systems were extraordinary. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians worked together, each contributing their expertise to ensure the success of the mission. The Apollo program was a testament to the power of collaboration and the human spirit. Fast forward to July 20th, 1969. Apollo 11 descends towards the lunar surface. The world watched in anticipation as the lunar module Eagle made its final descent. The tension was palpable as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin carefully navigated the module to a safe landing spot. The moment of touchdown was a triumph of human achievement, a moment that would be etched in history forever. The world held its breath as Neil Armstrong took humanity's first steps on the moon, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong's words captured the significance of the moment, a moment that represented the culmination of years of effort, sacrifice and determination. As he and Aldrin explored the lunar surface, they conducted experiments, collected samples, and planted the American flag, symbolizing the achievement of a nation and the potential of humanity. It's a story of innovation, courage, and unyielding human spirit. The Apollo missions were not just about reaching the moon, they were about pushing the boundaries of what was possible, about daring to dream and having the courage to pursue those dreams. The legacy of the Apollo program continues to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers, reminding us that with determination and ingenuity, we can achieve the extraordinary. The Apollo mission showed us that when we aim high, we can touch the stars. The lessons learned and the technologies developed during the Apollo program have had far-reaching impacts, influencing everything from space exploration to everyday life. The spirit of innovation and the drive to explore continue to propel us forward as we look to the future and the next great adventures in space. Keep reaching for the moon, space enthusiasts. The story of the Apollo program is a reminder that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we carry with us the legacy of those who dared to dream and the knowledge that with perseverance and passion, we can achieve the impossible. So, let us keep looking to the stars, inspired by the past and excited for the future, as we embark on new journeys and make new discoveries in the vast expanse of space.